If you own an Amazon Fire Stick and an iPhone, a huge question you might be asking yourself is how to mirror iPhone to Fire Stick. Well, you come to the right place because we'll be going over a couple of different methods on how to do just that. And before I go too far though, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get the latest and greatest tech guides. Since you own an iPhone, you may have heard of AirPlay, and unfortunately, it does not work natively with Fire Stick. So that means you have to look at other options such as mirroring apps. The first one up that I'd highly recommend is DoCast. DoCast is a reliable solution for screen mirroring iPhone to Fire Stick. DoCast works with almost all TVs and provides a pretty fluid and easy experience. Here's how to use DoCast. Install DoCast on your iPhone and make sure it's connected to the same Wi-Fi as your Fire Stick. Launch DoCast and there will be standard requests for access to Bluetooth and your local network so that the iPhone can see and connect with the Fire Stick. With DoCast, you can mirror your screen, cast music, videos, or even photos. To start screen mirroring, tap screen and immediately your display will appear on your Fire Stick TV. This is a great feature that makes tasks like gaming or watching social media content very, very easy. People are always impressed with the quality and the fact that it has absolutely no lag. Method 2 to mirror from iPhone to Fire Stick is AirScreen. AirScreen is an app that needs to be installed directly on your TV, which is a little bit more complicated compared to the first method to mirror your iPhone's display to a Fire Stick. To install, grab your Fire Stick remote, search the App Store for AirScreen and install it. Next, open up the app and follow the prompts like confirming the Wi-Fi network is the same on your iPhone, and you also have to scan a QR code on the screen and then select whether you like to cast the entire screen or in-app content. Then swipe down on your iPhone's display, tap the screen mirroring icon, and your screen will begin to cast. Now, while it isn't a bad app per se, it's less than ideal than DoCast, mostly because the installation process and casting is just not as intuitive. For example, you need to use a QR code, which can be a little bit annoying. Also, you need to install an app on your TV, which may not be convenient for most people. To wrap this all up, we went over two methods on how to screen mirror your iPhone to Fire Stick. DoCast, which is seamless, works right on your iPhone and has zero lag. There's also AirScreen, which instead installs on your Fire Stick. I prefer DoCast because it feels as close to native AirPlay as you can get and easy to maneuver, which makes it the best app to mirror iPhone to Fire Stick. Anyway, if you have any questions, be sure to drop them down below in the comments. Subscribe as well while you're over there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.